Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel, and today we are unboxing almost all of my latest found Hot Wheels which I have bought and found in my Hot Wheels hunting video from a couple of days ago. And yeah, as you can see, I'm like showing you all the unboxings in a 3x speed, and this is for a very simple reason. It's because the lightning or the sun at that time was so bad, the glare was so bad that you couldn't see all details properly, and because of that I decided to wait until it got dark, until the sun settled down, so I could record in a darker corner with the light, with the glyphs of my phone. For reference, I'm still using the Nothing Phone 2 to record and edit all my videos, and the Nothing Phone tool features something that is called glyph interface. But back to the video. As you can see, here we have the Honda Civic Type R from 2018 from the Hot Wheels mainline series then and now. This car is actually really beautiful in my opinion. There we have a nice little interior. The details you can't really see even in the light. Front headlights and front details are really cool. The side details are really nice. On the back we don't have details, but oh well, it's a mainline, so nothing I'm missing in my opinion. But what am I missing on the Mercury Cyclone are some front and back details. Yes, it's with the chrome base, so you could imagine something, but I would like to have seen at least some smaller details, not only the stripe on the front and side and back. But yeah, again, it's a mainline, so you won't get all the details most of the times. On the Silverline's BMW series, you will get most of the times all the details. Here on the BMW M1, you got the front headlights. Of course, the Porsche. Oh, hello, cat. Yes, the cat, my cat, jumped on the table while I was recording. So yeah, don't mind him. Yeah, the BMW M1 is a really well done car. The pop-up headlights are down, so I don't miss the light on them, so yeah, but they are cool in my opinion. What is also really cool is the BMW M2 in this in this video. I know it looks now greenish because of the lighting, but it's originally something like gold colored, and we have front and back details, and it doesn't have any crazy tempos. It's more of a clean gold car, which I really like. The M performance sticker on the front on the windshield I really like. What I like as well is obviously the Advan livery Hot Wheels diorama set, starting with the Nissan Skyline 2000. I'm not gonna say the whole word, the whole name, so yeah. This Nissan Skyline is really nice. It's one of the oldest Skylines out there. I think it was actually the first one, or one of the first. These rear lights I personally don't really like, but oh well, nothing you can change, so yeah. The interior is really nice. The bottom is actually really detailed. For a premium, it's really great, but I was flabbergasted at the first time I saw that the bottom was this defined, so really nice. What is also really nice is this Toyota MR2, the MR2 GRD, and yeah, actually the first MR2 I have in my entire collection. It's a really nice model. The pop-up headlights are not up, so yeah, it looks really clean and nice in this way. Which one is my favorite? It's obviously the Porsche 962. This one is for me the favorite of this set because it's also a not really very often used Porsche model, and I personally really love it. The Advan livery fits it very well, and yeah, really nice model. details all around, but as you can expect for a premium car. What I personally really like about this model is that the front tires are different to the rear tires, which is a really great detail. And yeah, one thing that lacks details, but is in my opinion actually a rework, is the aero lift transporter. This transporter is in the same livery as the cars to fit the entire diorama, which is a really nice detail. But on the front we don't have like the orange prints for the blinkers, and on the back we don't have the rear lights as well. But it looks a bit reworked, if I am allowed to say it. The ramp, which you can extend and load cars onto, looks a bit different. It has a different clicking system, and the cab itself looks also a bit different. But yeah, really nice car. Really nice truck. The tires I'm not really a fan of personally. The yellow goldenish rims do not really fit for me to this truck, but yeah, still a really nice car, and I have love to have it to transport my cars. And yeah, with this we are already at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel, because it helps me out a lot. And then I see you again in a couple of days with a new video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.